ha eya sedawo ena me de ma me nua Christopher some boy me safuchidom no more you will do dear children me on my birthday. The devil was talking to me yesterday. I'm not wrong. First, na ka birthday pa nya gro. Uto also waji Yesu di. And then say birthday atoto apansam. One pa. That's what the devil start talking to me. And I'm say dear menya no. E ya dia sikanti minto. En kwa menye mentia bibia. E ya dumo Yesu na dumarako. Eya dumo. So what you say? Enkwa menya no. Mentue bibia. Eya dum Yesu na dumarakwa. First ni na me yete ase wuo. Na nka metina sase su no maku kwa. Enka me kwa ku abra me su di mfaso. Ka me kwa ku na Yesu Kristo ba wasa tweme de makoto gem. Na nka se me kwa ku kwa wo. Se na nka di wiase ye me yodum nya na nka me ku kwa. Na nka me nka ho. Na kamenka nkura nso ne me benyankopon asese ad nkwaji a ahemfo entimi fa wo mu gold ene wo mu sika bebrebe entimi nto ode acha me kwa me benyankopon asese asikafo nkwaji sika entimi nto erade de acha me kwa me da onyankopon ase se president ene ahemfo akese Queen Elizabeth mu ode onyame de acha me no o mu sika entimi nto ene ntimi hu se me your defo me hu be say me your him pombi na enemy or him pombi ba I see myself say me a princess oh nyankoponi yes because me a Queen Elizabeth bakra nka di onyame ayame no enkoji amenya no nka Queen Elizabeth sika cannot buy it asante hini sika say me asante hini ba anka ni sika ntimi ntonkwa emfama me ba me da onyankopon ase say me ya hini mo hini ewemu awrade ne ba eneneme me yo nyankopon ba me kandi me nsase me bo me da Jesus asese minti obesane asenua no so no wu ma me minti ana obewu ma me obi to nyumo sese minti na Yesu oh mami se Missy mintina Yesu ah Missy minyami medawasio menyiwaya danyina minim ito kam to chiro na minim to ache pa nyumina minim to ache mintumi ntubiem but minim se beba nti adofo me catch so be ji Yesu di ni nipa da no wo machima wa e kire se papa na wa chiro di no omo ni chaka eni nti omo be yi uba ko ama se wo be ji Yesu Kristo di ne na fufu bi dwane fi wo nkyai a e kire se wo mu Yesu mu ma wo ye han ba bebi a wo be pie bi e han ni kire wo ho and they cannot take it adi bi enso wo sum no e han e pie wo a e kire wo sum so enti they cannot handle it anything wo dwane wo no. Yes, there's a lot of people on my Facebook still mudasoha min delete mu min block mu. You are still here. First na mo call myself yeni mami anochoa ya down for no, but now when you see that the road that I'm going min humukra, what are you? Me de min pomo, I still love you guys, but me come from me ready Yesu Kristo na menya no e de na mam say onu nko ade wo kwan no kra ne nkwa obi nkwa gya ne nchen just wonam ne so onu nko na wo hu na obi bie woni afiri wiase anye sa se de mu si ti a mo so mo ho atomo no e wiase nyame na aframoni. Yes, de wo hu Facebook yi nyina amanfo e bodem e wiase nyame na aframoni o omo ye tiase wuo omo ni nkwa enti ukotu obi sa mema de oye ntitew enhaw mema wiase mu niema ne haw ena kami wo se me kami chiro obi bi okotena wonum o kami nya sika kami tuma sum nyame ye o kami nya aka kami tuma sum nyame ye kami nya dan a kami tuma sum nyame ye me tinu won ma me ka chiro mo no I'm not sure I have a lot of things but me ka chiro say so wo be Christo now be you true Christian you still lack something. Yes, and you may be it will be a new man and kawanya kura busu no wo be ka say ah kasadi we crack a free mensa na me melo kura kamepe edru maybe me who say sand we Like I'm a tuma mellow myself more. And yeah, bro. And not to forget about the houses and the things that you have. And finally, ma. David did not see yes, he can be. You didn't do him when you be Biana or Trust. One day, who will be funnel. I'm a real senior man who wouldn't any be feeling some will be a bit on the Rahoy. Niraho Nehopa. Say will be done ho. Send your money, you will be done one will be for Frabby Disso. Niraho Neho. So what you say? Into a bomb pie catcher ready, and you won't come free me so. Who said you went in no still? Obe woo every we say. I'm a dear one me, I've a fed this so. Dear opening in ano, oh, Ancho. Noah, when you're 600 years, and run me come the Bible. No, when you're 600 years, and so I'm channel. Matusala 3 years. You won't go for me, Blooming, none of the bray. Woman, you're Japadini in Abbey, but woman chibo. They at the end of the day, no, they left everything. Until some 3 years, and I know money Christa, and come on, Brabaiko. And Cabra maybe we are singing and Kayakwa. And never know, Cassay, yet Nana Santehene, Nina, oh dear, and the woe yina. So when you use Christo, no fresh as he saw, you obey in Ayakwa. Me come at Ram. What pure has to see, I will be quite to me could if you me consume Yura, your friend Yura. But so fresh as he saw, not a button a dear man, and you couldn't get what trust in a chi. So when young you buy it be paying in Ayakwa. And until we are sending what to do in and Fanny Jim Renipa, sister. So wouldn't it be crana or down then Yamiasi? And yes, a bedroom maybe will be Pesaka will be my locra and so now to me. A better thing, I'm a Queen Elizabeth, so Baby Pad Mochi. I be the Yesu Christo chi because what they do a better dear man pa. She's used to whatever she is. And she's out here now, simple no capabi, who say. Unti Yesu Christo case na me kan trust say who be who ama de one rampe abe fa oni mediso who be fresh asi we so ama de one rampe abe fa diso kwa enti sa wo ye wo kra na bro no wan hwehwe Yesu Christo wo se kai wo bofo wo mranti bremo ansa na da boni no aba enne na ye wo mranti bre ebe dru baby na brante no wakojo ebedru baby na usika nyina firi wonsa ebedru baby na usika na jiteso na wuni hoden de sorry edi ji yani na wuni hoden nti me ka kire o se wo wiase mo japade enye no no enye no no enne me woni ma bebregu aso first no na me to no se me hyehye manante party ase makoje mani makonante enne me ntimi nko obi mi nyina na da ne bola egu ho no ebedru baby me be wo firi asase we so menchene bo obi a wa mre obeba be fa diso enti se metena se na me ye me kra bro na manfa Yesu Kristo se me wura ne magenko na me wu koko sei na obi be fa me niema ni nyina diso abra me bre nyina yakwa mfa so obi eni so enti me saw me ni bebi a wugina menka mame no toa kaminya sika kametuma kamidu America padia kametuma sunyami yipa kametumi toka demo kametumi kuta Mercedes Benz brand new it's garage mintum fan koshe uba onse me pia na me komo na maba anasa church men komfa hwe enso na obi koji sikaduro no ato Chrysler car Chrysler car mum no wo koji sakawade akoto obi woja obi edi obi akwaduro susi nkunu ntonchene na saasi bi eda ho no ne mfama no ntumi nsidan enne Ghana si efre obi se wo yinhira de wato ne ka de wonya ne fie de wonya wiase mu niema de wo kuta ne stores de wo ne hotel wo mu ne efre wo mu nhira ba ne me ka kiro se de wo yinhira ene de ya kiro ne din won kwan no de wo yinhira ene de onim Kristo de wo yinhira ne de wo real Christians real Christian undiluted onu ne yinhira sana me ka kiro susu jane pe wiase mu niema omo modi kan mo monko misraw ma wo monko bibia ni wiase we mu wo si wiase ni mu mfiti ase di wo ebe hia sei was away. And can you me feel some way? Na me feel some way. Me kunu no a star, and so to say, maybe na me a star chain me kunu. Yes. Me kunu be bo, ebe Jimmy din, and now retire and be a cranny medium. And next will be me kuna. I just walk. And they say, Google ne one why echo check in echo shine the background, baby you free, and there will be a refin. So what you say? And we are someone near man and who consider how who consider. I feel obi to me shiamikunu. I quite remember. Obi to me shiamikunu abudi. Who in the past mess was a yammy me brother. No catch an order in our yes, was one behind me. Yes. No, what didn't who see? Or piano the towel of Akatanity, or didn't who see uncle for why? Or Behana, a bear sign autograph yesterday, your way, or Behana to know who see. And so would die Jumani Yana. Would die Jumani Yana. What made fun so a day Jumani Bam said 6 years or any you know. A lot of people forget about him. Sunny, we are sitting. Tama who ya dear, people will pamper you, they will lift you up. I quite remember me back room hanum, me the candam, me fa baby ni kwasa me fa police change me me ID card. Oh who me last name no say me nim ni pe bia your friend and the last name they say me boy and say yeah me kunu no. I feel no police ni na lead me to go. One mommy ticket. E dininti. Me madru school mu ye check wo mu din o mu papa dinti a teacher phone ni wo mu agro. E dininti. But he's done. And you were winning the new ones no more. No one knows him. Obi any wo best upon only ni pass mercy. Nti first na me kunu si eh stand obi enya pa wo mpe eh me pa nka de me afa me nama na me bo me ho asafo hene me ni pass mercy. Adwuma bia me kom o mo kan lady why are you here? Nam se me baba ye adwuma afa wo mo directing kofo wonim ni pass mercy ni kunu ni se obi to me ba me nchen just to come no obebusa me how did you meet your husband? Uncle Sishe Uncle uja yesu mu a you have nothing. Ubo brandi nyina bi na uja minima branti bi ha oni abedi pele na ne bobo mi kuna dan fo pa no fi Zimbabwe said the abedi pele jidin e wo Ghana no sa na ono so o jidin wo Zimbabwe a friend DJ o ha and then the fam ni nyina ba wiye no and na wuhia no oba me fie ha me no aduane mani di wuhia na he's normal just say fam ni nyina ko obi ankai ni biem sanity. Slow. No matter what you're doing, adibia ushim, whatever you're doing, no, for woman Jesus Christ, no, no pijawa, you won't fade. Only Jesus in the pijawa, you will never fade. I'm telling you, Miss Slow. My mo din kosum, Edina unimie, ebia we actress. It will be a time nobody will remember you. First, no, they be out better mammy docuno odi, mammy docuno, and how many times now to mammy docuno odi? How many times? How many times? And Tibia, you call yourself, oh me, I'm a mad brown. I'm telling you, all this fame, one day it will be over. One day will be beba or ya dear chen. And Tibia will be rare. To me, ufu fame no, Emma from a Jesus Christ, onunkuto ni mu. And Ebema wakoswaye amamad brown. But the yesterday ya only there. Sooner or later, they will forget you. I'm telling you. Obibe pia unime. Mini Emilia Brobe. Yes, Emilia Brobe. I know. But it will be a time. Somebody will come very powerful more than you, Emilia Brobe. And people will forget you. But only Jesus Christ. Now do not me see. Who difference between a Yasi and a Christum? Sanity. And yes, I'm Kitwa. Intimate slow me poucho. A Yasi and a conon a chum. And then me could do baby cry. Me to me cry more things and me couldn't any pass me to me because we're chum. Netam, men can be. Said the first name the war woman, I don't mention it anymore. Men can be because many a be every near maybe on. nkofu bi sponsor me kun Toyota for no mo sponsor me kun ena saa e de say omo saa mattress yi ono kwa de mattress ni achiro ni din ne number ene gu kese pa okokroma akobusa almost $5,000 na obi a memi free Ghana aba o se ma me be sen enko company no na ko kire de wo pe no nyama afi me ai me kunu ai me hu de menye na ai na me ti abrofum na ye me yase kamiti Ghana fu ba ya no to ka yesem meye Kenya sam kitwa nso na wod ma share kurase secret place because kan se kama tona ama inyasem ama obi abepe bosia so what you say but it maybe it's over everything is over eko bibia toja se se woni yes nti mre wo wiase no a enipa bi di asoa no ye ninka so ewiase pampa wa ye ninka so ewiase pejawa ye ninka so ewiase pejawa akoso no mo jawa totom se pu omu wi o masasre waka ho sanity sabewi na wo se mi kunu edin husie yes because woni no ko onim me ni ni pastor so wa obi ba pe bosen nso ni ho nti se nkane no eni ho bi so what you say nti so onim no ko pampa no ho abonte ne ono anasem so nti wiase bibia wotimu no emre ye ninka so only Jesus can save you, only Jesus can sustain you no matter what. So what you say me kai guessy we are doing this we and humimpo to me gather ourselves abrofu so ye can go before number 1 and we are going to Las Vegas. Yes say come. I'm not sure. I did not participate in that. Boy, see, to me, Bobby fear, or bit me, because say na Ghana for money not here. We will go to Ghana and get married. Because so omo make no okobo and we hear by free me ho. Or kono munye we ni pa me ne asem. Yes. Me friend na minya no. Club will be free omo. Omo fo mo ni mo nyamra club ho. Na ho njinja. Nti okodia obeka mame abompa ya mami o. Ah, what is one more you need? Forget it. Your husband won't come home. Sanity. Wokokura. Ankan so mo tu kwan. We ninya ba pe. Oh boy. Udu kunu kan just adieche. Adieche so aso wono wa pie tu ada. Enya asem kitwa. Na so onyame mama nkasa problems sanyema we mu. Amama nsai wo wiase. No I bet me back. Say wo. Minim de ntia me do ko ye. Come on. I didn't know some me. In the papa and I was me did that form. I was some did that form. Na me de radiasi. I was some shan any munyam. I was some pijama. You are seeing me in Inkas. Ntis a Facebook, a big would you needing a abruchin waba. Now also will be a now wood chile. Me catch us and lay in Incasso. It will be a time will be any moon. Ebia we and to me, and then I will born you will be any moon, will be any moon. It will be a time nobody. That's why I love this guy. Edu Patrick, very humble kid. Seriously, I'll call him kid because me nini chen. Very humble. Oni udin koma. Chesa ukwano. Susu. Or teniema biase. So what you say? And then they to 4 years. They call themselves Christians. Shawomo. For when you film, neje dinka kra umaji enye international. Only Ghana. Only Chika sem enye ni momo. And international say obeko and they say obeko abrofu kuro so akoya ma abrofu ni nyina ye wa abrofu omunim nyum to pa e wo ho. So what you say on so only Ghana for so no agidin nso hye say wo munti jai asase aban wo munti jai wodo woni fafama she all these girls she gift you a sign money Joyce blessing she so ma page we asena so but I'm telling you guys say someone humble myself I'm from and she Jesus Christ in you na say baby amudi milike kon ye free ho na but there is nothing there no more mre mo ho ase and she Jesus e wi ase be page mo no mbe jama she from say pu mo hu baby amu be gina enu nti mi sro Baby ni wa hoto ho kan Kristo. Jesus mu ahoto ho ni mu ode. Jesus mu enhira ho ne ho de. Ahoto fa hodie e wo ho papa. Enya asem ketwa. Nso yenya Yesu. Afa yen cherish no. Miami ni papa shi. Onam wiase bonyum munim papa shi. Otena wiase to nwuma jinani. Onyame de nsakan. A oba Kristo mu. One man no muti wiase ni nyina, they run away from him. Because what in the ho akodom e han bia, baby asa han ne ho no. Opia onu mu a e desum mu niam bi adi. Nti people run away from him. And now what did he say? Simply because and yes and nyum to on castle. And yes a retire because a nyum to the entire football no retire. But Christo who are Busuntino. Some people even forget say he exists. But the guy is there. Very humble. I was Sumarabi. So what I say? A lot of things going on. So ya if we are seeing a member fraying, you who the Yesu Christo person or your mind. And intimate semi no Christopher. Bible ne can be or John. Mammy can be or Hassay. I will hear from them in our own kind. Mammy, aye, me Bible net to. Aye, aye. Oh, because me do so the papa. And intina etuno. So what I say? Uko at the say John chapter 14. Verse 15 now, or see, if you love me, keep my commandment. But how many people, they call themselves Christians, almost love Christ, keep the commands. They don't keep the commands anymore. And the Christians behaving like worldly people, they refuse to keep his commandment. And near my Jesus Christ so one pen, and no more the yen. Yes. And they were gonna him to four, almost so we a Christo for him to four. I want the woman number one thing. And then I do a petition commercial as a Christian musicians just because they want money. Me catch you very soon. Your music will fade. A bit fadey. Me come at you. People won't remember you anymore. And then papa na wa friend no say sa wo do na di na hyede so no wo se bra fom humble yourself and do na gina na ye de wo pe e man and ne obi teti wi ase no ye Kristo ni 1 pound onyame de ne saka na ba ko mienu wo hyase so wo hyenkom wo hyase so wo kasa ebem wo ye bibi ebem afi no wo man homene so wonya ka ba ko ni mienu dem no afi wo ba na ne homene so wo man ho bodini enya sam ketwa afi di onyame pese wo ye no ontumi hambo ne sefo no waye ontumi o nti sa me anoto mete no obi be ka se oh anoto a emso oni hwinti na onyankopon e de ne saka na wo dwa ya so me ka me kiro se de wodi mrike kwa kope na wo se adom mra wo so ne kokogege no menye bi esisi wo me mfa nya hwe me mpa biem mi dwane free wi asese mi dwane free ho. There is nothing there. Abrucha anye kru bia wo te Ghana no mo te ka mu ane ye mama fan abrucha wo de wo pa to Ferrari ne dem bibi soro ne fanante obi amfa ho minimasika fo bebre omo okrum hanama onu ko beg you sebra ne fie obra ne fie okwa na ode okoto. You see my bedroom, you see my bathroom, you see my theater na ode chirechiro eno a oni obi bi obehwe o hia ne McDonald's ayi nyina ye baako but me my Ghana dear onyenya 4x4 car bi tram say wom onti jai asase aban onti jai oso obi anto nyum friend wo ye sofo bu so man betri so onfa Yesu Kristo nyehwe ontumi hambo ne self mpona nkampese commandment no wadi so e dia yadwuma no ene ya ma ye ho so ene ti obi tinchen a wo fi se so ko Kristo ma e wo so onye wiase magapade anye sadia na nyame nhira no enye sa na ti o na ene wo ma nyame nhira wo mo wie ndie ne nko ni ko so musun awrade so what you say ene ko se ko musun awrade enya sam kitwo ano to me wo wiase sam di nkontompo ji obi adia mejem ni nyinam. I want to be alone. Me person me alone me mfanye ma no I don't care. no be catch. There is a lot of things that mejeji mu a oyembe hyew. Nso obi aba Kristo mu ne, o me hyehyɛ Kristo no, sa niema no wo hyehyɛ. Sa niema no ene wo hyehyɛ. Osise wo de wiase magyapade nyina, na wo hyere wo kra, ede emfaso ene wo so. Ene bia na wo ye ohene. Yema wabodi nyina bi nsase nyina ye de ma wo se twa ne ton di. Na wo hyere wo kra wa nye Jesus Christ mfaso be ne wo mu. Ene bia na wo sika pa wo ye business, wo di Ghana koniaba, wo ye business, wo na wo distribute eniema kese wo Ghana wo kuta di bie wo sika. Ene se wo nye Yesu Kristo na wo hyere wo kra mfaso be ne wo so. Edana wo si ne mansion kakaka ne musa na ada. Half place baby kitwo bi na uto eda metimi nye baby kitwo bi na metie ka no uto kakaka wote 1 city so yes 1 city so na wote o bedroom ni yetetrete baby kitwo bi na oda sanity enti me so empa wu nyantem ne wiase ne mu adede do nyina atwam enti the Bible ka che se maye no wiase anani me wu wiase na obi do wiase na ejade do ni mu a na ye no kore wo. Because you cannot serve two masters. Ubedo bako jabako. Me bedo Yesu Kristo. Me jeja ni ema bi medane. Medane friwo. Medane friwo. Nebia me kache mi kunu me se danya mi ase. Because na me da so ti wi ase na edwuma wuja yak me dane eja. Se yo usika na udi bi nti na me ba ye. Na edwuma wuja ya mi ankasa me tu ncha. Me nim ne ma ekoso akaba na me dane eja. Nti ye fast da ma Jesus. So what is I don't see all. I can't me kuna come back. Na ya maloni na ki yete 1 bedroom. I love it. Because menya peace. Me kuta peace bi wonya me mu me hu bi da. Me hu bi da. Me se first me bia na me hu yira me. Me se ne Saturday ka me ti ma hwehwe ye nim jai. Ka me se me pentiani, se me pentiani. Se me pentiani nyasa mketwa. Enya agro. Me kudru dwuma mama me foya. Omo toto adan kese o Florida yi edru e de say heat na nam say ehukuro ho bebre no no maba ahase because awo hanti sama ni good no maba wo hwe ne nsa dan mo akese abrewa ebubo ne nsa nyagro wonu tan just to talk to you no mo anoto wasoro anoto wafom omo bodi so collect na abesere wo bewu enya sem ketwa obi omo tumi betena we just love you we love your accent we want to talk to you obi tumi ba otumu say bibi bia ni no wa wasa meye but obetena manim keke to talk owi anu otwotro ne check no ma me tip emu odu because onim say aha no me te for fun ofi say me kuna millions nti hona me te no me te for fans so what you say enya sa all these things e betwam ene she Florida she nchie for kru no so ne Miami. Look, nti se nipa wo do ho to wo japade so a one day e be free unsa ene whole week kese ne de sikafo ne yefo nyina kogu ye che sandwich ye mamu nyina bi wo japade na wo hen e wo hen nti me kache mi nuanu mo sikafo ene mi nuanu mo wo nya mi mo fi se mu nya wiase japade a ene meba Kristo som na wie peye me kam che so bo o nti sada peace e wo Yesu Kristo nsem ubetumi nya nima bibia na woni asomdwe oso asomdwe no de ma wa na wo ahoto eni nti sister me sram me paucho ebia na oton kwadu odwom but woni mi Yesu mo ni nye wate mo ni nye ebia na oton pie wota odwom me se Yesu Kristo hu brusu nti obema in peace hu bida esikafo bibiri kokete so mutumi na omutumi na nti no mo na nam no wamfano wanko join okoto woni eno so kro woni asomdwe nti no mo ne nam no because of we asini mo mo penti no oyem nimtuni na opese ode ne ho ko shedru bi ase oyem movie na opese ode ne ho ko shedru bi ase na okoso gi ne dil ma meka kire o say it will fade one day obi ankai ubiem obi ante odin biem obi ankai ubiem etu bia me to no mo ye oh Nana Mama Brown is good why are there if we are someone in she have it. But so what Jesus she's over. Seriously. It will be a time nobody will remember that lady. I love her. That's why I'm talking like this. Me donuntia. Obeba Yesu Kristo mupa apa ne ho achia. Oh my goodness. And no na ye be friend in Shira. But right now dear, I don't think so. Miss Remodo for me paucho. Enko Christo mu ko nyisi ewiasimo ade de bi se ye wiasimo ade dia nka Yesu Christo ba ye na obonefo no hia no mountains no ka se omoni mu ase ma no mfa sanyema we nyina ma no ka Yesu Christo boni mu ase but wo hu se di wonya no ene di oba benya no so chen di obonefo de kire no nti ade no mo obonefo de niema ewiasimo niema e kire wo ne nti wo kwati Jesus mi busa so wo mo to mo so mo yesikafo wo mo wo fame wo mo wo niema niema wo mo ko mo kete so mo tumi dade wo mo tumi na wo mo ni ahoto busa wo mo so mo wa hoto a wo mo ni ahoto na hoto kakra nso obenya sika tatade ahye wo de baba be ye fake e wo Facebook abetwitwa pictures a kire se na nije but me ka kire se deep down oni peace oni anije obetumi kasa mewo a menya anije wo wi ane no nkire se wonya anije o menya sika menya anije me kwa brucha menya anije menya nkrata menya anije menya American passport a wonya ni nyina bi na woni Yesu Kristo a woni anije wo woni ahoto obi wo sika kese na wo yare da dem ntumi move and me sremo a Christopher. I love you guys, especially when I see those young girls. I must say, meshenene wig ya kese mo shebi mo jeja mo natural, very beautiful. Ebi no boduku kama. Mo na mama manije, mo na mihumu anu mehu se minia no bi wa ha. Manije. But so called pentimamento for no me I don't see them. So the woman who me na wo mu fi se maya tete kwa anoto amayira no. Me so me hu wo mu kora menti wo mu case. Menti wo mu case o. Including woman who from who suffer. They just have the name. Omano keke. Deep down, ahoya pesemin kuminya. Anytime I hear woman ma serious. Anything and we are said the party and comunya bi no. Omunya bi. And omudo muti pempem. And the chichamenentin kwa. But so when Jesus kwaya, he will pick you up from behind. A chiro no be you do a free. No, they will be a new. Because you won't conform with Brano Mutati anymore. You won't conform with Brano Mutati anymore. But what touching people from behind? A child will do be free with Pia Bontain. Ninipa Becas and away so free him. Why ni? Send me back Christo Muna me yes, I could see a man quite Christo some Sunday church goer. Come over churches and be friends say, Mimra or more churches and Mekasa. Come over churches and be friend from me and not grow. But now say omagina no minjina mu bi me I say it as it is because you na de be mami say na de be mami e komo ni mi o say na wo de be mami na se komo de me kura me mo mi mu asema me meye de wo pe e komo de me kura me meye because me ni abi o wo de me tie ma bibia mfrimins I'm ready for everything o I'm not trying me ready for everything me you ready for everything wo de opa ma mi kun wo meti kun sia bonten ni enje me ho niema nyina menke o me ni ji wo Kristo mu I don't care who do opa niema me see me ni bicycle last na me catch me see if I know how to ride a bike I will ride a bike na me the contents here me dey go grocery store first me see na ma horo me ka pa emunyum ebesi waso emunyum na me so na me so wai na me tem mitimi pedesiti na abasoro na me tem mitema na me hinhimiti ena kanyankopon anya madom no obi de pan kenu anu no enya sam ketwa enti odo for me srow there is nothing good out there eyeni so keke it is a flowers a piece a wu fefe enche na wi ahye no na say bibi papa bi eni ho me srow kuta de wonya no mu ye so Jesus na wonya no mu ye ma wo private jet wo mo de mo ka mu let them go the wonya no si kan to me to entra dem nsu da se kaminya we ya it's nothing American passport me kuta bi so she briefcase me da won fu trouble me mfa nko ba bia mfu trouble and I don't care about it me mfa so ho me ho it's nothing and so now we be to enunti wa fresi enko aduru bi ho enko twetwa nwan ene nkra se bi be ya obenya passport American passport obi visa keke wonam nuro so come on and me catch yes bo mu chichie so finsu se be catch us den chamawa ye nyina chinye chinyo. Yenye na chinye. Sana tie. And then me come to me for mommy obe wona me eh na say baby e koso na odu kuchimu di. Me say me near that craft of dressing say me should that dress a woman na be fam bako. A woman na be fam bako. And so first me step outside without makeup, lipstick, all these things and send me pia bonting. Enya gro. Me ya no maka me see me tin radio so kra me ka kire ma no aya mo hye ni kan kitenkete mo bo moto na mo hunye mo kunu mo akono mia o manui mia me de gotna si ye wiase mu evangelism ama mu osofo e ma me mo piafo and now nya me de ne nsaka me ankasa no de they back off nti omo ye hwan omo ye nipa ben sanete se kamaba me boa. But say Christosum ye wo mumienu you will look warm ne wo rare Christians. Sanity. Ye wo kwasia mankwa Christosum and ye wo real pure undiluted perfect ones. And also there obi ani wo baba ye yodium eh dabi. And no the obi ani wo baba be cherish show me see me no more club bi boosty club. Me birthday ma me phone nyina gada. No ma ye party ya mami. No ma frame ya ba. And yes, some kitu, and now he, or it be refimicra. They don't even know if I'm still here. Said that could ruin in a manner could show you. Oh, me feel some Kogana, me feel some Kuyan and Mamma Kogana. Sanity. Sammy, we are city. And we are seven big out. Or do we should say, pooh? She knew Mubium. Sammy, we are city. Sister, morning so dear when you're at it. And prepare my brother. Don't rush. It's nothing. And then you me birthday until me in some choosing. Birthday until me count some sa. And until me count me pese who say. So be to some mammy no to what queen chain. Men your wife just a mammy no to the one young hunty a debut. Sam your man me moon be me muno baku say. Last jiga me cram me catch me cruise up on fakan and come in fun. Yes, me ampa. A jiga make a train and see one fako for a new piece. Mimpe. Sanity. Because baby, I'm not joining them a coma one, and you've been in near my way. No. And so ne, Unyakupo Bomodin and Zaka will be can't you? One man who so echo Pedro, and the Ababi Pija, and your friend Odi, or so for Bishop, Deacon, Cardinal, one Archbishop. Right Reverend, eminent, Giabudia Cassia. She checked the Queen and me before. Simply because they want a Viasimuniama, Lazan, a Viasimusika Crebi H.M. Oh, be worth 3 years, Simon will be a one man. I prefer this so. Into what is your problem? I didn't know how. And the problem be pardon me, and say, oh, pardon no, the Beshan command Jessica Cassia the Dakasim. Who that casting you need to feel in Mawa, Nakadie, me busa. Said now be humble yourself. Was so dummy a dimashadia so. Now be dinner shadiana soa. I'm telling you, say, who ye humble, no bad lift you. Obe pija. And to say a candia, and you don't pay why a bon crananka a speaker for no monk. Because it will be a qua, bompaye, so when you mean pay out, or more Juman Cosoma Sika, or Yamia Few ever con a real no sifie, or more sifie now, more the data or private jet, who could test Sikana, and Yamakuimo, almost so the empire never Bama, Ibusa. At the empire as uncle for no Sierra Bama, or the 4, she shall not hear it and a canewati. She said, Jesus, you need to for need done free. We are seeing when we are seeing the baby papa be at the mouth. If we are say, only baby papa be at the mouth. If we are say, have nothing good for you. The old fan a tempera, jaho, a transit, and the air ha. Jaho, ako. Jaho, says I am to Obeka, Minqua minimum, baba, and me, mammy would and you never. One here made him one him me call young bishop of friends some other that go quack. Obo pirate. Would have been cast could be mamma's own. But some mammy you pack, the near man because me and me and the baba. So what you say? And you easy. So me money was ama. Oh mammy minishi. All I have is Jesus. Minishi. wo bibi se me ni hwe ye ka hiafo a se me ni hwe but inshiran ka onyankopon se me ye defo wa awurade mu me ye defo e wa awurade mu me ye defo e wa awurade mu o se mama ni nyisa hombone abra wo ho ase mama na mama ni nyisa ya chiro mu di won kon mu me mama ni nyisa bia me wo bibi me ni hwe se me kam sika nkujina store se meto ade no two sade bi hye me old ones na bia old ones na bia nya fe na minita enya sem ketwa eni nti me sro odofo me paucho mentna sem fa hunsen sum wa no da ena kaminya we ya ena kaminya kunu we ya ena minya we ya bibia nye de so oba wo bi hia bema wo won kwa oberema ya chro ni din won kwa mu oberema ho konkon etine mu ede ne ya adwuma bibia nya de se wo bi hia because sanipa no ono ewiase mu niema no wompe nti mu be ye equal mo ni be gi ade ba ko ho basa okoye na mepebemo wo sika mepebemo wo yesi mepebemo na ukowrem se kunkrum mame ukukowrem se kunkrum na woni bebie efri wiase mu niema ho ameka me kire aware ne be yesi ja na anamu yes enti me so ka kire onyankopon say your will be done Erade ma wo penye ho wo mabrabom let your will be done in my life let your will sika no wo betumi nya bemu wo sika bibia but we nyankwa ni nyina aye rubbish nkoye so unya nyima ni nyina na we nyankwa oh what is that uncle hu na wo ye dede because we jawo there's nothing he will take with you amuna no so 6 feet under ye mouth chimba en ho bibi ni wo betumi di akọ so what you say. And it is the same. My candy a shame money to me no woman say, yeah, Bible studies be an make catch romo. Worldly things is nothing. If you get money, it's nothing. If you do this, it's nothing. All this, me who hurricane, me news, my friend, me man, me so look. You see, moms will be for baby coy. Look at people are crying, they're just running for their lives. You see, also my jenny in our home. Not make me draw my attention. Said you better imagine coy almost say, coming as see coming away me away. No. So what you say? Said the bear will be a one ten who could show bibia. And you know, Mr. Tribia, Metican, Menisa bring Minaka we campo. Oh, Mina we are camipo. Oh, we did camina. Oh, Minessa, Minesca, when Magie. Oh, Minesca, we just said, Sandy, we are situes who flow in Bibianson. Who could away, or Sassimi Pewi, who away, or Sassimi Pewi, San or you. Into a corner Dorowa, to many what is a winner car now, what to make a choice a winner carpet. Obekasa wo hia private jet santi na free nipa bebreni ama ne wiase nipa rush for wiase mu niema ebi na mu nroso ebi ye okot ebi chante ebi kum nipa obi se me ye honorable me ko aban mu a aye ne ye frɛ me honorable na me ko ye MP a unya sa niema ni nyina wi a your time will go off ebedru me bia ba ne ye ntoma obiem ebedru me bia ba no ye ntoma obiem ene binam nuso ye si apemfo amonamono ye tu galamse ye niema obi chese wo ye nuro se de be ye okọ obenya galamse obenya we all these things e wiase obone for sta na otio nti se bible kan say owifo ne ma agese obi wia no kuma say atiase wo de sa niema we be wia wa ti nyame amamu woni be ba ho so no na okodi owu afa no okum no sell sanete obetumi kum obi na dwuma mu sele bi obi firi woni e di dwuma na ma no yetumi kum obi so what you say enti me so me paucho me di na me sraw brafom no nyame duma ho brasefo opon di woni nyina calm down na onyame de nani famu a onyame nhira na manipa yodefo wo bradwuma yemfa bi nka ho minimo obi a ade bi ni wa wonton bi pen ento sinyado amoko nkyene kan bibia bi waton bi pen nso wonya sika onyame nhira na manipa yodefo hwehwe awrade ahini ne tre obi betima kena kurum hanom asase ko ntimi nto bi na nkompa so osidan so obi te Ghana say me dro abucha na me yi anye sanete o obi te Ghana oni passport cross wa yi onyame nhira na ma oni pa yodefo enti manya wadwe se wo be dro abuche no e wo so wo si abanso nti woni abere koto a na me ba abuche ma mobra na ma anye se me ka me kira wo nko onyame nhira na ma ni pa yode etikafo no wonka ho enti me saw me ba ocho obi oso to minya ne ma ni nyina bi enche pom no wu enche no wu no fra asase so mini enti ame no de nam me no ka esa abrabo mu nsam kakra me bie woni ma bi wo me to me nyini no ba bia sa but niema me de mani ehu no enti no eni Kristo hu abroso enti no wo bie mani to the level a me hu se wiase we mu no ye twam enya sam ketwa enti me sraw first de emu ntro de bia no ye di ntro ni ye pija yourself ni ye di ntro because you say oh yes sanete de bia no di ntro upgrade yourself de bia no pija ho et say Facebook ntro nko a living lies. A lot of people are living lie on Facebook. Living lie. Obi to me pa Facebook and I'm so oba so nipa dodo e be hwe nti to me come alam ho so oba ye nhwe no mo nipa no bebre mra mehwe no na onye star e wo Facebook unso wagi mi unim nyanta kete wesio enye dodo wura kete wese enye Ghana memu nko an obi tumi ye just one ne frɛ serial o mo friends serial caller sa no mo frɛ no ye minim ka serial caller no ay star obi o uni mini ni pass Messi me kan brother bi no mo frɛ na Ali Maradona na tata na me wo Ghana o frɛ radio so sa fe no be star we nyina yasem hweniema nipa de wo mani didi akire look hweniema nipa e de wo mani didi akire obia person ye fake na obia person ye fake obetena Facebook so onkanya nsasem obekan oberesansem fun nso obekone nipa e hwe omo because wunim wo mate awrade so atua nti awrade so bi wan wo maso amankwase asem tie nti omo koto nkwase asem a wo magene na omo nyansa ne ni ho na akasa kire omo se we ye nkwase asem ti run away and don't omo tie sanity nti ube hunu no si wono aye makeup no obo na ni prepare na ni pe gusu hwe no why because o mati awrade so atua ama onyankopon bi o maso amankwase asem na omo tie sanity and into order for Kristo ni so de wanya no mu ye Yesu Kristo si kan entimi ntom ono na ye superstar he won't fade he will never fade ono na okono wasamba wasi kuru na ode yekoso na bontin ye sika nko na ode imagine kuru a wokoso na bontin ye sika nko kuru mu hana mo obi hu sem gold kitwo bi kura kutawa ni ye de bodyguard say ma president nyi gold bar sakese obi hu bodyguard te be ko enya sem kitwa emu atuo ene mema kese a ye be ko ho se ye kwa ko guide sa ade no so no wasi kuru na bontin nti nitifu bia no me de kamenya kura sikafo no musu mu sika no se mu pese mu sika eni munyam a nka mo musika no mpa ba bi ntina na mo reach out to Christ Jesus na mo nko kuru no so nko hede wo ho yes ye nitifu no nkadwane nso ne omo ntijai ya mo hu mo Facebook ana on tijai woni mi ana opinti na nim no ayesa kaka motobi nka mi di mi birthday awurade nyame professional makeup artist nka ma bo me makeup yi ka me nim ayesa ma me wata afi no free nsu ase ba yes first ya na me hu se me hu first ya na me se ma me wata o sana me se ma me wata nti no obi ehu ade no mu hwe wanim sana nye me hu bi level sana ma se ma me wata Lucifer enya goro enti mi so yeni create order wo ye nyumtuni e de na ma ho so e de na ma wonti jai e de na ma yeso wo ye star wo to nyum e de na ma wonti jai anyum to phone bebremu wo me Facebook. I'm talking to you. I don't want to name names, but I'm talking to you because I see me hu niema bebre so wo mo peja mo sa it will be a time no mo kan mo kora bi. then you throw nation prophet. Now, it will be a time they will me say, one more page, one more beside the show. Yes, sanity. Sanity. And intimate me pamocho. Me dinya me sremo. Eh, who me say, me no bia. Who me say, oh, who me one on one, or who bedroom me keke. Me no bia, me no bia. Me pan my bomb chelo ah se grandpa one sa first kwa me have me ho me timi gina pabo atentina me na ye me ya ayi samunti na ma ye me nim se me okay me tina kam na me yi pabo me to a ne daka na chi me yi na me we ara busa me yi na mato me kunu pekasa ka me twena betena ono ya no mpesa me na me kasa ono on kasa o nso utimi shut me down e ono e dindi no tu ushia me ni na do fi say hey mama no to ade na ni adi o me ka me kira me kunu you quiet enso so say ink ni kom kakra ai jai enya sem ketwa so what you say but ye na ma kasa du ho beti mama kasa mama ka kire ni aha me na me kasa on your kasa sanity just say my bo format to the level ushia me sisters me no nyina ye pe men value me different way. Me no munyina ye bako. And I love you. Me no munyina men pejamin ru baby. Don't do it. Me no munyina ye one. Ye pet. So what you say? Me no munyina ye pet. E kurase makoho, e fu makoho. Me nim se disi dua banche. Sisi a me pie Ghana sisi a makasa me enko afu ma obe do me keke. Me no be ko afu me so ma me se kan me do e be wonwa. Oma me sika me do ebe onwa enya asem ketwa me no betena sia toto bolu do adi ebe onwa enya agro me nya obia anoto me nya obia me wo wiase na me di me ho ntoro but me nya obia ubi hia me ade wa hu me na anoto ani no mo anoto se no mo jijima kokume Sani ya jijima kukume. Me yo bia. Me no nyina ye pe. Me you show me different. Sister not to what dear. No, don't put me that way. Me no nyina ye. We the same. A Christopher, ye ni ketwa ye nyina ye bako. Ye master ne so chen ye. Ye nyina ye the same. Me drew Ghana. Me fche prayer prapra sorry de me be onwa. Munkunya na mo ba betena so. Me ba pepa so. E be onwa. Sa sorry wo toilet me ko clean so. E be onwa. Sanity. And inti me sra me pamocho. Sika, ka, efie, whatever. Emfa yen kusishi. Die yema ye nimbre. Ene so nya me betru yedi wonkom. Wo bedru abrochira na nsan. Wo ba ye wo sika fo so ha. Ye won kofo ha pa. Abudin fo e wo ha. And inti me pamocho. Me sra. Akwa no wura nkasa nche. I love you guys. Mo kire me do. Na mani so aso. Moso amoye kosia mankwa Kristo so. Moso moye Kristofo, but enibre koso wo makomo. Enibra hyemoma. So mo antoto sa niema na enwu a. Na mo amre mo ho ase. Te se de Yesu Kristo nkola ne ba ne nchen no. O mo ka se he mo kwai, mo fafiri okon ma me master ho fi. O se hey, munya wo mo no mo mra me nchen na wenu se. E na so ahene ye on dia no se mo amre mo ho ase te se nkola yi a. Se mo amafom Bishop, Archbishop, Cardinal, Right Reverend. Reverend for no. Someone ma for moi. Yesu Christo for mon kobi because one won po bi o ba be channel. On to me go channel ho. O po bi o be malasha na se. Enti se mo be mama mo bodi apija mo ho a. On for mon ko heavy ho bi because we here obi Lucifer ya na just o be chen Yesu Christo wo no to asase so. Wo be chen ni bi ni wo be ko obi.